Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the comparison on how well those Amazon Fire 7 fits in a kind of small hand, because I would consider them small. So yeah, let's get into it. Here I have a coin, just for a comparison, so you can see how the coin fits in my hand. And now let me pick up the tablet and just see how it fits. You can take a look. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.